And let me start working on problem number 10. Right here, the sum of 1 of 1/3 and 1/4 of a number exceeds the number by 12. The number is. So it's very important thing that you should write the algebraic expression properly. Write the algebraic expression properly. Right. So that is one part. Right. Let us check out here. Let the number be x. Now the sum they have given, we need to add 1/2 of the number, that is half of x, plus then 1/3 of number, that is going to be 1/3x, plus 1/4 of that number 1/4x is equal to of a number exceeds the number by 12, that is going to be x plus 12. Now simplify here. Right, this what I can know, x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 4 is equal to x plus 12. Now take LCM for 4, 3, 2. Right, 4, 3, 2. You need to take LCM. Right, so that is going to be 2. 2 2s are 3. I can't divide 1s. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is the LCM. That is 2 into 2 into 3. 12 is the LCM. Now I'll simplify it here. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 into x is 6x plus 3. 12 divided by 3, that is going to be 4. 4 into x is 4x plus 4. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. 3 into x is 3x is equal to x plus 12. Now add it here. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Right, 13x is equal to 12. I'll transfer that side. This will become 12 into x plus 12. Right, now 13x is equal to, multiply this is going to be 12x plus 12 12s are 144. Now so transfer to the left hand side, that is going to be 13x minus 12x is equal to 144. 13x minus 12x is x is equal to 144. Answer, the number is what? 144. Option C is the right one.